Got a super long line for Acme. Super long line for Felix's. Bourbon House. Nobody inside. If you're going to the Acme restaurant and you want the closest parking, it's actually right across the street next to 21st Amendment. So we're waiting in the line for the Acme Oyster House, and here in Louisiana it looks like you have to have your vaccination cards. Thankfully they're taking the vaccination cards for COVID. Thankfully they allow you to have a copy of it on your phone as opposed to having it in person. We got our char-grilled oysters here. It's got the cheese on top with some herbs, super hot. It's got a little bit of spice on it, and we got some bread. So the char-grilled oyster is delicious. It melts right in your mouth. It's got a lot of Parmesan on top, slight spice. Really, really delicious. Delicious? Oh no. Baby, what happened to our oysters? Are they good? Was it worth the wait? Yes, it was. Definitely worth the wait. Very delicious. We love it. Fried shrimp plate with hush puppies. Fried alligator. What we got here, Mama?
Gumbo and shrimp po' boy.
Shrimp po' boy. So the fried shrimp is extremely fresh. Little bite size, pretty good flavoring. And the funny thing is with the alligator has a completely different breading. It's super tender and delicious. And these, the hush puppies, are probably the best hush puppies I've ever had in my entire life. They're sweet, really finely ground, super delicious. Homemade in-house cocktail sauce. It's got a lot of horseradish inside. Definitely bites, but it tastes good.